Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change theme on a particular person on your messenger, how to apply our lovely theme. So let's dive in. This is our messenger now. Okay, now so we want to change theme of this person. Now you can see, let me just something here. Now you can just look at this theme here now. So this person is special to you or something. I just want to make your conversation more interesting and lovely. So just click on this person profile picture here and you click on the theme, and now I want to change the theme of this person. Now say I'll click on this, and wow, this is it. Just click on select and this theme is going to select, and you see this is it. And guys, this is very interesting. This theme is only for this person alone. So let's go back and see what I'm talking about. Now let me click on another person. Do you see there's no theme applied to this person? So let's go back to the theme, and this is it. You can change the theme anytime. Just click on the profile picture of the person, click on the theme, and let me choose another theme here. Let's choose this. Let's choose another inch. Okay, this one now. Okay, let's choose this. Wow, let's click on select, and this is it. This is so lovely. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.